We have got a Siemens washing machine. It gives E12 error, and I think there is water under the machine. We make machine like this. It's angle 45 or 13 degrees, and then the water is come to from the machine, and we will wait 12 hours for drying the water, and then we will say you it's working or we not. We will make a test wash, and then we will put I think it will be work. We will select this, maybe small program, no small program. It must be maybe hot, too long. Yes, it's better. Start. Yes, it's start working.